When it comes to maintaining our homes, we often overlook one crucial aspect: the roof. Over time, dirt, stains, and moss accumulate, not just affecting the looks but also the longevity and functionality of the roof. Today, we're delving into the fascinating science behind roof cleaning. Join us as we uncover the reasons behind those unsightly stains and creeping moss, the potential damage they can inflict, and the effective methods to restore and preserve your roof. Ever wondered why your roof gets those stubborn stains and moss growth? It's all about the environment it faces. Rain, snow, and even air pollution play their parts, leaving debris and organic matter on your roof. But the real troublemaker here is moss. Its spores can travel through the air, finding their cozy spot on your roof. Once settled, moss holds onto moisture, creating the perfect haven for its growth. Those stains and moss aren't just eyesores, they're potential threats to your roof's lifespan. Moss, in particular, sneaks beneath shingles, lifting them and creating openings that lead to leaks. Accumulated debris, stains, and moss can speed up your roof's decay, drastically shortening its lifespan and leading to costly repairs or even a premature replacement. So, how can we save our roofs? One effective solution is soft washing, but prevention is also key. Trim those overhanging branches, keep gutters clear, and install zinc or copper strips along the roof's ridgeline to discourage moss and algae. Cleaning solutions have evolved, they're eco-friendly yet powerful. These biodegradable cleaners contain enzymes that break down organic matter, waving goodbye to those stains and moss without harming the environment. Some solutions use oxidation to obliterate tough stains. Hydrogen peroxide-based cleaners, for instance, release oxygen, lifting stains, and restoring your roof's original allure. Remember, a clean roof isn't just about looks. It safeguards your home, extending the life of your roof. By grasping the science behind stains and moss, you're equipped to take action, whether it's routine maintenance or professional intervention. Your investment today guarantees a roof that stands strong for years to come.